at your daddy. Look at your daddy. Hey. Hey.
3 weeks old today.
She's up on her hands, looking at you. Up. I got you. Look up here. Hi, baby. Whoa. She's getting tired. Hi. Hi. She was sitting up. Let's see if we can do it again. Sit up. Sit up. She was sitting up like this. Looking at her daddy. Look up here, baby.
Evie.
Evie, look up. Whoa. Whoa, look over here.
Evie.
Whoa. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Looking at your daddy. You're so silly, daddy. You're so silly, daddy. That's what you're thinking. You're so pretty. Whoop, 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 whoop. You got a bobblehead. Whoop, 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 whoop. I know. It's silly, isn't it? She's like, keep losing my balance. My head's too big.
And she's eating her hand.
My head's too big.
Once you got all the hair, it knocks her off balance.
Yeah. Look up here. Look up here. Look up here. Look at your daddy. Oh, that was a good burp. Let's just scooch up a little bit. Okay. Okay, now look up here.
She's like, oh, I'm worn out, Dad. I'm worn out. Oh, I'm worn out.
Hi. Hi. You're exercising. Exercising your big old head muscles. Big old head muscles. I know. It's silly, isn't it? Don't you laugh. Don't you laugh. There we go. Let's get you that way. Oh, she's starting to roll around. Uh-oh. Whoop.
I have this on tape. The day you let her daughter get brain damage.
When she fell off my lap. Look at her kicking. Oh.
Is she mad? Oh.
She got belly gas. She's got to be pooting here soon. She farts like her mommy does.
Hey.
It's silent, but ooh, it stinks.
Whatever. He's watching her little Mr. Frog and Mr. Monkey. She loves it. Oh. You like Mr. Frog and Mr. Monkey, don't you? Hmm? Oh, you're sorry. I got it on camera. Oh, what is this thing doing? Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. She's 2 weeks old. 2 weeks and 1 day. Yesterday was her 2-week birthday. She loves Mr. Ducky and Mr. Frog. She does. She likes to talk to them. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh, she getting sleepy. Oh, she's getting mad. She's getting hungry. Say bye-bye, Evie.